I decided that I'm going to be making amaranth porridge.
Amaranth, a pseudo cereal. I know, what does that mean? The most important thing to know is that pseudo cereals are gluten-free, unlike the real cereals, which would be real cereals like rice, wheat, and all that stuff. So examples of pseudo cereals would be quinoa, buckwheat, and amaranth. Now, the one that I'm making today is amaranth. I normally make quinoa, but you know, I wanted to try it out. The health benefits of amaranth is naturally gluten-free. It has more calcium, magnesium, iron, carotenoids, and fiber than most vegetables or grains. If you want to know more information about amaranth and other superfoods, check out the Bamboo Project food page, and we have more recipes on our food playlist here on YouTube.
This is 4 cups of water I'm putting on a boil, and I'm going to put 2.5 cups of amaranth in there. Jesus Christ. That shit hot as fuck. It melted the whole bag in an instant. Thank you. It's like quinoa, I think, though. Little tiny balls. Okay. I'm gonna dump out the boiling water because I don't think the water is supposed to be hot. Here's 1 cup. It's 2 cups. So I put 4 cups of water in there. I think I'm gonna have to take some water out because there's not enough amaranth. I'm gonna throw some teff in there. See what happens. So here's some teff green, and I'm gonna just cook it with the amaranth. So it said to bring that to a boil. So that's supposed to boil for 25 minutes. No. It's supposed to be brought to a boil and then let simmer for 25 minutes. If you fall in that toilet, I'm not taking you out. Alright, so it looks like the amaranth and everything is starting to boil. See it bubbling? I feel like the teff and the amaranth are not mixing. Oh snap. Put that lid back on and put that on low. So now it's gonna simmer for about 25 minutes. Now we still have about 12 minutes left on our amaranth. It's looking really good to me. It's getting thick. I can see the grains opening up. That means it's cooking. I'm gonna add some 1/3 cup of some coconut milk. Make it 2/3. 2/3 of a cup. Now I'm gonna add some agave, coconut manna, and then now I'm gonna add some Ceylon cinnamon. Let's say about a teaspoon. So I'm gonna cover it up and let it continue to cook for the best part. So, fuck, that hurt. See, this is why you need a crew for a cooking show. You don't fuck up your hands. Alright. I'm gonna leave the skins on the apples. So I'm about to just take this off the heat because it's like very thick, which is good. I don't want the bottom to start burning, and I think it's all cooked, so I'm going to put this to the side.
is how everything came out. Here is the cooked amaranth. We have the coconut milk, kind of like condensed milk reduction thing that I made on the side, and then I also have the caramel apples in a dish with some additional agave, because I like my porridge, polenta, whatever this is to y'all. For me, it was cornmeal porridge. I really like it sweet, so I'm just gonna add the toppings and then just let the music play it out. Just keep looking at the food because it was bomb. It was really, really good. And some coconut flakes on top too, toasted coconut flakes.
Top floor, top shotter, you are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming, I'm moving now. What you doing tomorrow? If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am that they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman.